Have you ever just stood up from your morning coffee only for the entire room to suddenly tilt, sway, or completely spin out of control? If you are navigating midlife and suddenly start experiencing these random bouts of intense dizziness, it can be deeply unsettling. Your mind immediately goes to the worst case scenarios. Is it a lack of sleep? Did I have too much caffeine? Or is it something far more serious? Well, if you are a woman over 40, the true culprit might surprise you. It is not in your head. It is actually a direct result of your shifting hormones. Today, we are breaking down the powerful link between perimenopause and vertigo, exactly why your internal balance system is tripping up, and how you can get your feet back on solid ground. To understand why perimenopause and vertigo go hand in hand, we actually have to take a quick look inside your ears. Deep inside your ear sits a delicate, highly complex structure called the vestibular system. This functions as your body's built in internal gyroscope. It constantly tells your brain exactly where you are in space and keeps you balanced. Now, here is the piece of the puzzle most people do not know. Your inner ear has an incredibly high concentration of estrogen receptors. Estrogen plays a quiet but massive role in regulating the fluid balance and healthy blood circulation throughout these delicate pathways. During perimenopause, your estrogen levels do not just gently slide down, they fluctuate wildly from day to day. When estrogen takes a sharp, sudden dip, it can disrupt those fluid levels or cause minor changes in blood flow. When that happens, your vestibular system gets confused. It starts sending completely mismatched signals to your brain, making you feel like you are moving, even when you are sitting perfectly still. Every woman experiences this hormonal equilibrium shift a little differently, but it usually shows up as a mix of three distinct sensations. See if any of these sound familiar. First, there is true vertigo. This is that distinct, intense spinning sensation where it feels like the actual room is whirling around you. Second is lightheadedness. This feels more like a floating, disoriented sensation, almost like you might faint if you do not sit down immediately. And third is disequilibrium. This is a general, clumsy unsteadiness on your feet, kind of like you are trying to walk smoothly on the deck of a moving boat. What makes it trickier is that these episodes often peak right alongside other common hormonal symptoms, like a sudden hot flash, a wave of anxiety, or a strange ringing in your ears, which is called tinnitus. The good news is, when a spinning episode hits, you do not just have to sit there and suffer through it. There are a few highly effective ways to manage and prevent this naturally. Step one is immediate fluid balance. Because the fluid in your inner ear is intensely sensitive to your overall hydration. Even a tiny drop in your body's water levels can trigger an attack. Keep water with you all day. At the same time, keep your blood sugar stable by eating smaller, protein-rich meals. Sudden blood sugar crashes cause rapid blood pressure dips, which makes perimenopause dizziness way worse. Step two is the Epley maneuver. If your vertigo specifically triggers when you turn your head or lie down in bed, it might be due to tiny calcium particles shifting out of place in your inner ear channels. A physical therapist can show you, or you can look up a simple series of head movements called the Epley maneuver. It gently guides those particles back where they belong, often stopping the spin in minutes. But beyond lifestyle adjustments, the most effective long-term strategy is supporting those inner ear pathways directly, because our inner ears are so vulnerable to the inflammation and circulatory drops that come with hormonal shifts. Giving your body targeted nutritional support can be a total game changer. Many women find sustainable relief by adding specific botanical antioxidants and circulation boosters to their daily routine to protect these delicate vessels. A highly recommended natural option for this is a supplement called Audifort. It is formulated with over 20 premium natural ingredients designed specifically to target the root causes of inner ear discomfort and balance issues. For instance, it includes green tea extract, which actively improves blood flow directly to those inner ear pathways we looked at earlier. It features grapeseed, which is packed with powerful antioxidants to protect the ear's delicate structures from cellular stress. It uses capsicum annuum to support a healthy, stable inflammatory response, and GABA, which helps calm the nervous system and ease the anxiety that frequently triggers or worsens a vertigo episode. If you want a natural way to support your balance, protect your hearing, and hush that underlying inner ear chaos, I have put an exclusive discount link for Audifort down in the description below so you can check it out. Just a quick reminder, while midlife hormonal shifts are an incredibly common cause of this, always consult a healthcare professional if your vertigo is severe, continuous, or paired with things like slurred speech or blurred vision, just to rule out other issues. But for the vast majority of us, staying properly hydrated, tracking our cycles, and giving our inner ears the right targeted nutrients is the secret to stopping the spin and reclaiming your day. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more midlife wellness tips, and let me know in the comments if you have ever dealt with this symptom. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.